The truth is, the digestive system is closely related to our well-being. That can be from sluggishness to feeling tired to feeling fatigued, all have to do with the digestion not working so well. And there are those common things which I mentioned earlier, but it could be also like something more severe, constipation, IBS, a lot of different things which are happening in our digestion. So let's get into it. We're going to look at the pose, the wind relieving pose, which is much more than relieving just the wind. And then you will get an idea on how you can every day take care of yourself just by integrating it into your normal practice or doing it on its own. To get into this pose, you just need a comfortable place to lie on. It can be on the floor, maybe something soft is nice. We use a yoga mat. And then start by lying flat on the ground. Then now bend your knees and bring the legs together. Lift your legs up so that the knees stay towards each other and in line with the hips, and then pull the toes back to the knees. Yeah, so keep your feet flexed. Place your arms out to the sides with the palms facing up, and then keep your shoulders on the floor. Now with your knees squeezed together, inhaling. As you exhale, take the knees to the right and then look to the left. Keep the knees together, inhaling, come back up, and then take your knees to the left and look to the right. Good, keep your shoulders grounded and then keep moving. Knees up and then to the other side again. So with the rhythm of the breath, move from side to side. So the benefit of this is not just a better functioning digestive system, but it also strengthens and stretches your abdominal muscles. Most of all, and this is very important today, it tones the pancreas, and the pancreas are the ones responsible for the sugars to take care of after we're eating. Yeah, so stimulating the pancreas, stimulating the intestinal organs is what happens in this pose, while you get all kinds of other benefits. So flowing with the breath, you want to do this at least 9, maybe 18 times on each side, so it depends how you feel. And if you start integrating this to your everyday practice, you will feel a huge difference. Thank you, and then come back, bring your legs down to the floor and rest for a moment. So the resting point is also very different. And by the way, restorative yoga is one of those things which doesn't seem, but which helps for the digestive system as well. Because we are overly stressed, we do too many things at the same time. And if we get our body into a parasympathetic state through restorative yoga, your digestive system will be very, very thankful. So there are also contraindications in this pose. You should avoid it if you have severe lower back pain or just had a spasm in the back. If you are pregnant, please don't do this pose, and also 3 months postpartum. Also, if you are in your first days of your menstruation, it's better to avoid because it puts too much pressure on the abdominals, which should be soft in this time. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you find this video valuable. If you did, please let me know in the comments how it felt. Also remember to like and subscribe. And I see you in another video.